I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the job safe and efficient. Park the escape on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. This prevents movement. Start the engine briefly, about 5 to 10 minutes, so oil warms to roughly 120 degrees F. Warm oil drains faster and carries contaminants out. Once done, turn off the engine and remove the oil fill cap to aid drainage. Position a drain pan under the oil pan and loosen the 15 mm drain plug carefully. After most oil has drained and the flow slows to a drip, you reinstall the drain plug and torque it to manufacturer spec. This prevents leaks. Next, move to the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to break the old filter free and remove it. Expect more oil to spill, so keep the pan ready. Clean the filter mounting surface so the new gasket seals properly. Coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil, screw it on until gasket contacts the base. Then tighten another 3/4 of a turn by hand. Now you refill the engine with 4 to 5 quarts of 5W20 motor oil. Pour slowly and use the dipstick to reach the full mark. Overfilling causes foaming and pressure issues. Once filled, start the engine for 1 to 2 minutes and watch for leaks at the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine and recheck the oil level, topping if needed. If you see a persistent leak, tighten the filter or drain plug slightly. If leaks persist, replace the crush washer or inspect threads before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.